Whenever a user input is required, it can either be in a text box, username, password field, feedback fields, comment fields, etc., there's a risk that an injection attack can occur. Injection flows, and particularly SQL injections, are common in most web applications. It happens when the attacker puts data or injects data to trick the interpreter into executing unintended commands, thus by modifying, changing, or even deleting data from the database itself. This way, the attacker will have full control of the back end from just inputting a couple of queries from the front end. What can be injected? We can inject SQL queries, which is the most famous type of injection, PHP queries, LDAP queries, and operating system queries, which will make calls to the operating system functions itself. Any web application that relies on the use of an interpreter has the potential to fall victim to this type of flow. This is a simple example how an SQL injection attack takes place. Suppose that we have a text box where a user ID is required and then a search button. The usual SQL query behind that is select star from users where user ID equal the text that is fetched from the text box itself. Now suppose that instead of a user ID we just put 105 colon semicolon drop table learner. So what will the SQL query turn into? It will be select star from users where user ID equal 1 of fine. This will be executed, and the other query that will be executed is drop table learners. You will delete the learners table. Another example that you can use is put 105 or 1 equal 1. As you know, 1 equal 1 is always true. So the query will turn into select star from users where user ID equal 105 or 1 equal 1. This query is true, so it will return all users. Now, how to protect ourselves from such kind of injection? Well, we need to design and review our code appropriately. We need to do input sanitization to make sure that no malicious code hits the backend. We need to use safe APIs, and we always need to run commands in minimal privileges so that the drop table command that we've seen earlier wouldn't be executed if the account being used is a normal user.